Oh, you know what I love? Making money. Feels amazing, especially making money on YouTube. Feels swell. But when YouTube starts to hold your videos, not get you the same amount of engagement, you have to figure out a way to still make money. That's why I have brought you 10 side hustles that can make you at least $1,000 a week if you try, and if the universe blesses you, okay? So without further ado, 10 side hustles that you could use, 10 side hustles that will make you some money if you get off your ass. You did.
Wanna see my niggas get up out the fucking trap, but they all chasing cheese, so I guess they all some rats. Running in some laps, posting Instagram quotes, and they say this shit in caps. It's all cap, goddammit, and I hate it. They all.
What is good, world? It is your motherfucking boy, D Session. We are here on this lovely afternoon presenting you 10 side hustles you could use to make some money this week, every day. I'm guaranteeing if you use these hustles, just like I've showed you before on how to make money now and how to make your first $5,000 as an entrepreneur, you can check out either of those videos somewhere up here. What I need you to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank you and appreciate you for rocking out with the kid. We almost at 75K. YouTube is nothing you could do. Instagram is nothing you could do. Y'all trying to shadow ban people shit and keep us out the algorithm, but where there's high demand, there's high supply. You get what I'm saying? So we're going to keep the videos coming. I appreciate each and every one of you. The engagement is increasing on the videos. I love it. And a special shout out to everybody part of the Manifestor gang in the Discord, the best $5 or $10 you will ever spend. All right, so without further ado, it's time for us to dive into 10 side hustles that I believe will make you some money. Before I started getting paid off of YouTube, and before the pandemic, right when the pandemic hit, I actually had to do the first thing we're going to talk about, and that is develop online products. So some online products I made first, I made 2 digital cookbooks. Those sold very well. When I was a private chef and doing that every day, day in, day out, I constantly posted my food. So people were like, damn, that food looks delicious. I want to try that shit. Showed recipes, showed my social proof, built up a following on Instagram dedicated to food. And then I started selling the cookbooks. I made a health book, health guide, another cookbook. Hard copy will be coming to you very soon. And then one of the most lucrative things I did was sell sea moss. I'm telling you, even now with the pandemic going on, you know, shit's wicked. They want you to do whatever to your immune system, but selling sea moss, it will get you more followers, more buys, and more sales. I'm telling you that straight up. You'll make money off of it. Now, there is competition. There's millions of people who are selling sea moss. You just have to understand where you get yours from. You want it to be from a Caribbean place and somewhere the actual sea moss grows, not in a lab anywhere. You'll see some footage of me selling sea moss in the past, man. I really had to get it out the mud. And being a critical thinker is going to lead you in the right direction. You feel what I'm saying? So whether you're a male or female, being a critical thinker is something you want to possess, especially for my young fellas out there. You want to have a lady and you want her to see your leadership. Being a critical thinker is going to help you. So selling sea moss really got me to where I need to be. It has 92 of the 102 needed essential nutrients the body needs. Sea moss is a great idea. It worked for me, made me hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and really just kind of just paid the bills in some sort of way until I got on my feet, man. So sea moss is number one for me. But overall, just making online products of your own. I'm using sea moss as an example. Cookbooks, health books, these were all digital books I just made on my own. You can make it using Canva, PicMonkey. There's plenty of other sites you could use. You could even do Amazon drop shipping. This gives you the ability to sell different random ass products all around the world to different people. It's a simple concept. It just takes a lot of time. So these are ways you can develop an online presence, sell online products. I even thought about starting to sell sea moss again. So comment below if you were a previous customer of mine with the sea moss, or if you need some. I might have to hook you up. All right, at numero dos, the second thing I believe you can do to make money, which is probably my favorite, that is start a Discord. Discord is amazing. Discord has honestly changed my life. YouTube, my own actions, and Discord have helped change my life. Discord is one of the breadwinners of my business. The more value you can deliver to people, and you have to be able to solve a problem. When you can solve that problem, people feel inclined to reach out to you. They feel, damn, you can help solve my problem. I'll relate to him or her. They feel like they can trust in you. So one thing I will throw out there is that a Discord is mainly for people with bigger followings. I'm not here to tell you what's a bigger following, but you know, you might want to start with like 5 or 10,000 followers, subscribers or something, so that way you can get people to join. But hey, you don't have to have anything. Maybe you know you're good with ads, or you know friends that got a good following, you feel me? But Discord is huge because it links directly with Patreon, and helps support creators just like myself and plenty of other people that you see all over, Kevin Samuels, all the Chris Sains, all the people that we see. There's a high chance they have a Patreon or something that helps support individual creators, because we giving y'all these videos every day for free. I'm waking up and I made 10 side hustles. We did all these research for free. So if you feel like you want to support, come on and drop that $5 or $10 and join the best Discord you've ever been in. And if you don't know what to offer inside your Discord, you know, just go on YouTube, check shit out. We talk about everything from enlightenment, stocks, EV stocks, different types of stocks, options, mindset, everything in the Discord. So think about what it is that you stand for, what it is that people would want to see, and that you're actually educated enough to speak on. That's what I would put in the Discord just to start it off. You can even start it free and have paid channels inside of it. So Discord is number 2. Number 3 is for all my ladies in the building. We have Nannying. They're probably not going to trust a young guy with a dick to go guard kids. That's just saying. So here is one for the ladies, Nannying. Now, I literally know firsthand probably over 20 girls, if I can go through my contact list on my phone or through Instagram, that do nannying. Respectful women are able to go babysit children and get paid for it. A lot of the nannies I know were new growing up. They got free car, free gas. You get to live with the family. You get room and board. You get free food whenever they travel. If they need your services, you travel with them. Everything paid. So nannying is a huge way. It's very important that we utilize our skills to our advantage. If you are a lady and you need a couple extra dollars, you got a trip coming up, you got whatever, you want to make some more money for your portfolio, why not nanny or babysit these kids? You can use care.com, Nextdoor. There's plenty of different websites you could use to find families who need some sort of nanny or assistance. You feel me? Whether it be after work. I know a lot of families that make a lot of money here in California or anywhere around the world can use extra help, especially during the working hours when most of the wealthier people are busy operating businesses, handling different things. They don't have time to maybe transport the kids to wherever they need to be. So nannying is one I believe you ladies can master. Number 4, Instacart. Okay, when I used to be a private chef, I used to go to the supermarket literally 2-3 times a day, but that's just for my own personal shopping and for different clients. But every time I went, they would be like, I cannot figure it out and put it on. Why this young black nigga, it keeps coming to the store? We don't have nobody that looks like him that keeps coming in. How many times is he gonna come to Sprouts, Trader Joe's? I've never seen someone look like him coming here so often. That's because I was a private chef. But if you do Instacart, people will probably get to know you in the supermarket. Maybe you might get to go to the line faster. They might open up the line for you. Instacart is simply where you go shopping for other people who don't feel like it or are disabled or unable for whatever reason to shop. So it's an app. There's plenty of other services just like it. Look up Instacart and look up Instacart alternatives. So that way you can cover and make an account on all these things. So whenever you feel like shopping and you got some extra time, there will always be people to shop for, grocery shop for. It's simple, Instacart. Okay, at number 5, we have something called usertesting.com. I'll show it to you here on the screen. This is just a dope website you can go to test and be a user tester, beta tester for other companies, products, services, and goods when they release them out to the public. You can see, oh, is this add quantity bar too close to the live chat bar? Is this...
I have to hit the plus sign, but it's so close to the chat.
It says quantity 1, but here it says 2 for $14.79.
For your time, you will be rewarded, and you can actually select which price in which you will possibly pay before starting to even do the user testing. So they have each job listed by duration of time, by price payout at the end. So you can pick right here if you get bored. I know my girl sometimes will get bored. She has a couple hours. She might just hop on here for, I don't know, an hour, do 2 or 3 jobs and make $60. So usertesting.com and plenty of other sites just like it, Ask Sunday and plenty of other things are very similar to this. You can go in here and test websites, test platforms to see if it's good for actual hitting the market and customers buying and checking out. All right. And number 6, I'm going to go with sell wallpapers. On the screen, I will show you some of the wallpapers I've been using, and how I got these wallpapers is not because I made them. I do not do graphic design. I'm pretty good with some of the graphics and shit, but it's because I have good rapport. I know who makes the wallpapers because I was huge into tech. My first YouTube channel was a tech channel. And I go to the people on Reddit, Twitter, whoever. Find your favorite people or creators that you follow on those websites that are making the wallpapers you like, and simply reach out to them, DM them. Hey, I love your wallpapers. I always use them. They're fire as hell. Can I use them? Can I sell them? And then at the end of every month, I give you a payout. 9 times out of 10, they're going to say, yes, ding, 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 because they don't have a ton of people selling their products. They may not even know that there are people watching them that closely that really value the products. How you kick it and what your audience looks like, maybe they've never seen this type of wallpaper, which is why people buy wallpapers from me every day. While I sleep, while I'm awake, it doesn't matter. People always pay the little $2 to get wallpapers because my phone looks cool and my audience has not seen these kind of wallpapers yet. So this is a dope way, costs you no money. All you're doing is promoting it and you're able to get paid off it. Shameless plug, buy one of the wallpapers if you like what it looks like. Next, you can go ahead and try to be a VA. No, that's not Virginia. That is a virtual assistant, okay? So when you become a virtual assistant, you are going to do things like respond to emails, answer DMs, answer comments on social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, so on and so forth. Who knows, TikTok, other things, Pinterest, whatever. Post YouTube videos, schedule, plan different posts for companies and for individuals. Whatever the hell they need you to do to keep their business afloat, clerical work, organizing contacts, making contact lists certain ways, whatever they want you to do, creating engagement groups, you could do that for somebody for a very cheap price, and you don't even have to leave your home. You can do it right from the confinements of your own computer. Go to YouTube, go to Google, any website you want to find different VA offerings. I like to check out Fiverr. Okay, at number 8, we're going to call you something, the middleman. The middleman is the person who knows the plug but brings the plug to business. You feel me? So what we're going to do is be the middleman and or woman. So what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to all your homies that you know that are entrepreneurs or have entrepreneurial endeavors, whether they sell hair products, whatever they do. There's tons of entrepreneurs you know. And I know some of you, oh, Sesh, why don't? Yes, you do. You've been ignoring them. Open your DM. You know, that good friend, you know, those 50 friends you grew up with that have been trying to show you their products and things they do, the people you've been ignoring. Yeah, them. Answer one of their DMs and say, wow, they actually have some dope products and things to offer, products, services, etc. So now why don't you simply say, okay, I love your products. I'm going to sell them for you. And every time I sell them, think of a percentage in which you can get out of that. What I'm willing to bet is that your friends are going to be flattered that you even care enough about their business. Trust me, I know. And they're also going to be excited to have someone selling their products and merch or whatever it is for them. If that's less foot traffic they have to do there, that's less time they have to invest there, they can spend time doing some other shit. So being the middleman for your friends, sell your friends and entrepreneurs that you know, associates, they don't got to be your friends, co-workers, whoever. If you know they offer a good or a service, sell that shit for them and get a percentage of it. It's simple. It's beautiful to me. This is simple. This is what they call hood tax. In the hood, if you go to the store for somebody and get them a bag of chips, that's straight. You could do it, but it's gonna be taxed on that. Instead of $1, it's gonna be $1.50. So you could do something similar. Just take a percentage of it from using your audience and using your gifts to be able to sell. Okay, at number 9, I'm going with Upwork /Fiverr /Craigslist. Okay, we talked about this last time. We have a video that's almost at 50K views on how to make money now. We talked about Fiverr, we talked about Thumbtack, etc. But here, Upwork, Fiverr, and Craigslist, what they're going to give you the opportunity, just go check them out. They offer so many endless things, from graphic design, photo editing, music video recording, camera work, ad management, code, clerical work, logos. The list is forever. You can do yard work, furniture. You can find any type of job you want on these type of websites. And then number 10, the last thing that I believe you can do, that I've done, that I'm doing right now, I just started, is reselling shit. Yes, reselling. So what this is going to do is you're going to be able to determine the price. So what you could do is go in different Facebook groups that are trading, buying, and selling. You go in there and you see people that are looking to buy certain things. I don't care if it's light fixtures, different candles, custom lotions, a lot of these things for home decor. You can then go to Etsy. When you go to Etsy, you'll find it at dirt cheap of a price because it's an individual like us or probably somebody from China making something. You buy it from there and then you can upcharge them 10 times the price. So let's just say it's a candle. They want a custom candle in the Facebook group. Oh man, I'm really looking for these tall candles for my front yard, whatever. Boom, go to Etsy, grab them for $5 each. You then charge them $27. You see that? You just made some money. And you can do this for all kinds of things. There are so many Facebook groups that buy, trade, sell. Tons of them. No excuse. As long as you got Wi-Fi and a working phone or some sort of device, you in the mix. All right, people. So that has been 10 different side hustles you can do that I've also have experience done. I've either done them or I've helped people directly use these websites or services to make money. So there's no excuse for you not to be making extra bread. This is 10 side hustles. 10. You dig what I'm saying? So my goal is to get this video right here. Within the first 10 days, I want 10,000 views. I want 10,000 likes. 10,000 comments. I love all of you. I pray you value the video. I pray that you can take some shit from this video that I'm saying. 10 side hustles. You can use these things. I pray the video wasn't too long. We out here. Let's make some money. The Discord is amazing. Manifest Gang. We show each and every day you can manifest your desired outcome. Because hey, I used to sleep with my clothes in trash bags. Now, we doing whatever we want. I love you. Eat it.